when I'm being serious? Do I sound dull and plain, like a substitute teacher, a class that you don't exactly care for, one that is mundane? It is not fun. It is always on the same plane wave. Do I grasp your attention when I speak, or do I lull you to sleep? Would I be better off making a sleep mixtape? Something to listen to when you are having a hard time sleeping? Would you fall asleep to me? Do I annoy you? Does my voice make you psychopathic and homicidal instead? Like you can't stand the sound of it and I must die?